Hello friends, it's time for some examples from slot 1 on logarithms. And logarithms is a new term for us. And let me give you an idea what we're talking about when we say a log. So I'm going to start with this equation. B to the x is equal to a. And let's fill in some numbers here. I'm going to put 2 to the 4th power is equal to, and that is equal to 16. So our goal in this one is to write the inverse of the following equations. And logarithms are related to these equations. These are called exponential equations. Logarithmic equations are actually the inverse, or they undo that part of the equation. They undo the exponent for the most part, which is why we have logs. And the inverse of this is going to be log base 2 of 16 is equal to 4. So the way a logarithm is written, it's basically saying 2 to what power is equal to this guy, which is 16 right here. So this is a true statement. Again, this is the base. This is the exponent. Let's maybe label those. And this here is the base. I don't know what that's called, but that's what this to this power is going to equal. So to give you like a generic form of this, this would be written as log base b a is equal to x. In other words, b to the x has to be equal to that a. And this is just a different way to write it. And we'll get into why it's useful to write it like this another day. Today we're just going to get used to like, what is this asking us, or what is this saying mathematically? So let's go down here and let's do a few examples here. So it says write the inverse of the following functions. So what we're going to do is we're given this and we are going to write it in this form. So we're going to take this 3 is the base, that's this piece right here. This x is the exponent on that, and that is going to equal my 15. And that's all we're going to do for this one. We're just familiarizing ourselves with what logarithms are saying. A logarithm is just saying log base 3 of 15 equals x, is saying, hey, 3 to what power is equal to 15? And we don't know how to do that yet, and I'm not worried about that. What we're worried about right now is, what's another way I can write this using inverse properties? Okay, let's go on to number 2. For number 2, here's my base is 4. Here's my exponent again. So this is going to end up being 4 to the x equals 20. Again, mathematically, we're not doing anything. We're just trying to familiarize ourselves with what a log means. All right, so let's do one more example, and then I'm going to let you do the rest. They all look pretty much the same. Let's go down and do number 4. So this is my base, so it'd be 10 to the x is equal to 7. And that's going to be it. So all you're doing is writing an inverse equation for the rest of these. So hopefully that's enough examples to give you guidance for the rest of those. Good luck on finishing those up.